If you don't respect your mother, you're not connected with Allah in the proper way. The reason is, Allah created you and chose your mother for you. You need to give her and offer her kindness and respect. Man ahaqqun nasa bihusni suhbati. We mentioned this hadith so many times, where the Prophet ﷺ said, who is from among all the people most deserving of my good companionship, my kindness? And so he said, your mother, your mother, your mother. You know the hadith, right? And then the fourth time he said, and your father.